Okay, so guys, welcome to the second day of your live lesson from the Kabir Doha. Sharing and caring, nothing is belong to us. Whatever you learned in the yesterday and today's video, now we are now. So this is what part we cover. So I'm just going in a 1 minute from this one. So first of all, offer your salutation to the Sant Kabir, who has given us such an amazing learning into the very short, crisp way actually, man. So this is what we cover yesterday. And money is not everything. Experience of inner joy and peace is more precious than money. So please don't create any color, because I'm not telling you that one. What is important now, what you understand, what you learn, is depends on this 1000 old master's teaching. What you're going to take now. I told you that 24 Kabir Doha that we are going to cover in 25 days. And in a coming 1 month, actually depends on whenever we are available, not available, including that one. So in this 24 5 Kabir Doha, these four are the most important lesson. And yesterday we covered the love and compassion. Love the others unconditionally, practice the compassion towards all, and extend the forgiveness and let go. I'll tell you that one. This is the most important lesson. And if you understand this lesson, your life will be never be the same again. Please remember that one. If you don't have these qualities, you are not a human being. Even the animals has these qualities. So please remember that one. It is very important. Do important things now. Don't procrastinate. It's amazing, Indrajit. What is the lesson number 2? Please remember, today I'll be cover the lessons, and if possible, we'll be jump up to the first Kabir Doha. On the transient nature of life. So there is a beautiful shloka in the Bhagavad Gita. So it's called as about the Sthita Prajna, and it talks about the impermanency. So everything is changing. Everything is changing. And please remember, this is what is this exactly what, where Kabir has more than 25-30 dohas on the impermanent nature of the life. So what is the impermanence of, like impermanence as a teacher? That everything in life is temporary, embracing the impermanence, cultivate the gratitude, resilience, and the ability to cherish every moment. I should have tell you the story, but let me just quickly, I'll be meet you in the heaven. This is the story of the businessman who was depressed. He has the billions of dollars, but depression, he was in depression. Somebody recommended him, please donate the some wheelchairs. There is a requirement in the one physically challenged school. So please, can you donate? Then he told, okay, take this check and you can take it up. But then the person told, no, you have to go and donate your personally. So then he get and they give the chairs to all these kids. And when he donate everything and completely life, different experiences happen and everything. But when he's supposed to go, somebody actually hold his pant and just do like this way. Then what is seen? He asked, oh my child, did you want something more? Because he has a lot of money, but that piece what he got, it was too amazing. Then he just, I want to see your face. And when he told, why you want to see my face? Because he told that one, I want to meet you in the heaven. And then this person understand what is the currency of the heaven. Currency of the heaven is this one: kindness, gratitude, and this part. Then embrace the beauty of the change. So change is inevitable. Through the Kabir's Doha's teachings, we learn to navigate the life's transition with a grace, adaptability, and sense of wonder. Who are you? You are the biggest, richest, most intelligent person on the earth, but still everybody has to go with the Janma, Murtyu, Jara, Vyadhi. So these four things are common. So he talks about that change. And they live the fully in the present moment. This is what I'll tell you. This is what I can call Samadhi. This is I can call Jiteji Samadhi. This is what is a life. And that's what, please remember, in the present moment, there is no stress, there is no tension, there is nothing in the present moment. Please remember, the past is gone and the future is uncertain. And Kabir Doha's most important and the best part I like is that he talks always about the how and why it's important to live in the present moment. Please don't do anything, any artwork. So Mr. Hargovinda, so please ensure that when you don't do any type of the hard work. So let me just give it, not share whiteboard. And keep yourself muted. Please don't disturb the flow actually, it is very, very important. It is a small session, but it's a very powerful. So don't miss the, this particular show. So live fully in the present moment, that is what is the life. If you want, read the book, The Power of Now by the Eckhart Tolle. Everything, whole spirituality, if you want to put in one word, and that word is a now. Because the life is not there in the past and not in the future. Now, every moment, life is changing. Even within 27 days, the whole skin is changed. Your 99% body change into the 7 years of your life. So you are not the same person what you were 7 years back. So this is the lesson number 2. Lesson number 3 on the power of self-reflection. Now we are talking about the other people. ये क्या किया, उसने क्या किया, वो क्या सोच रहा है, वो क्या कर रहा है. Everything we are judgmental. We are thinking about the people. Please remember, if you think what the people will think about you, then what the people will be do. So please remember. And actually in the vision board retreat, all the 9 days program and everything, we are giving 90% of time in the self-reflection. Please remember, you have to pause in the life for which race you are running now. There is a rat race going on. People even don't know why and how and where this race is going to take them. So pause and reflect. So Kabir Doha teaches us the importance of pausing amidst the chaos of life. And please remember, that time the life was very different 1,000 years back. Still these Kabir Dohas was like that. Today the what? Everything is like a gadget. Everything is like a run. So reflect on your thoughts, actions and the inner world. Cultivate the self-awareness. Please remember, that's what I call it as a 360-degree transformation. Ikigai 1.0, Ikigai 2.0, Ikigai 3.0, self-discovery, self-awareness. Discover yourself. You born 2 times. You know that one, like I told you. One is your date of birth. Second one, when you discover that why you born. Then mindfulness, that whole, we can have the full, like a 7 days workshop on the mindfulness now. The mindfulness is the part of the everywhere. There is a one book was there actually, now where it is now. So this is a heartfulness meditation. So please remember that when the mindfulness is such a beautiful thing, it is unlocking the present moment. And that's what is Kabir told you 1,000 years back. What about now? Now Kabir Dohas are the more important and more applicant and more important in the life. Now simplicity. See, this whole game is because of the complications. Now we have the one house, 1 second. Second is their third. One car, second car, third car. One parking, second parking. Like a and everything we have to multiply, and you have to just keep on acquiring. But find the joy in the simplest living, and that is what is called as a minimalism. Now minimalism, people are getting even the Nobel Prize. What is the minimalism? But actually, man. And that's what is telling. Simplicity will bring the joy and contentment in the life. Simplicity, pleasure. The beauty of simplicity lies in its ability to free us from the unnecessary complexity. Oh, I want this one, I want that one, I want that one, I want. See, there is a big difference between the need and the want. What you really need and what you really want. Please remember that one. There is a beautiful proverb. In this whole universe, cannot even fulfill the one person's greed. But there is more than sufficient for each and every person and animal in this cosmos to fulfill everybody's need. Let go of the materialistic desire. What is that one? It is not that you should not have the good car or good home or the good these things. No, it is about that one, how you can live without them. You are not attached to these things. You are detached from them. So then only you will have the meaningful experience. And then only you can connect more deeply with yourself and the others. And that gives you the freedom of time, money, energy, freedom of everything in the life. And that only cultivate the inner peace. Simplicity cultivate the inner peace and tranquility. Please remember, this guides you the harmony, balance, and the spiritual fulfillment. So these are the lessons. So now I think so today it is enough. Tomorrow will be go to the first Kabir Doha. दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होए. So we'll be come to this tomorrow. So please remember, now this is the first shloka, but what you learn now, try to summarize that one and get and put into the WhatsApp group. When you write, you are actually registering to your subconscious mind. Or it will be like a Bhagavad Gita pravachan or any other pravachan where the Babaji is talking you about the pratyahara, and then you come back outside and you are fighting for the chappal or the shoes, or you are stealing somebody's chappal or the shoes. Then that is not the purpose of this discourse. So thank you. Just pray yourself. Oh God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you. God bless you all. Share your learning into the YouTube and here, and makes the more people get the benefit of it. Thank you. Have a nice and fantastic